Welcome to Little Lola's Joy Channel.
Sawubona mngani.
Let's learn body parts in Zulu today.
Parts of the body in Zulu is izitho zomzimba.
Head. Ikhanda.
Eye,
Iso,
ear,
indlebe.
Nose. Ikhala. Ikhala.
mouth,
umlomo,
Ingalo. Ingalo.
hand,
isandla,
finger,
umunwe,
Leg. Umlenze.
foot,
unyawo,
Stomach. Isisu. Isisu.
back,
umhlane,
neck,
intamo,
Shoulder. Ihlombe.
hair,
izinwele,
Teeth. Amazinho. Amazinho. Tongue. Ulimi. Knee. Idolo. Chest. Isifuba. Isifuba.
skin,
isikhumba.
Great job.
Now let's practice all the Zulu body parts we learned today.
Ikhanda, iso,
Indlebe.
Ikhala.
umlomo,
Ingalo.
isandla, umunwe,
Umlenze.
unyawo,
Isisu.
umhlane, intamo,
Ihlombe.
izinwele,
Amazinho. Ulimi. Idolo. Isifuba.
isikhumba.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Zulu is cool. With me and you. With me and you.